Hi, I'm Apollo Timbers, the owner of Second Robotics. I'm here to introduce Robot Core version 1.2. Robot Core is a new, innovative robot controller designed to interface with both the Raspberry Pi and the Arduino open source platform. This board interfaces with the many actuators and sensors of a robot to the main controller. With this board, you can control 2 motors, 8 servos, 2 Dynamixel smart servo ports, and have access to 8 12-bit analog inputs without needing 5 additional boards to hook up. The board has many other features, including a powerful onboard 6-amp DC to DC converter, so you can power your Pi or Arduino off a single power source. This simplifies the process of building robots considerably. And with the daisy chaining ability of the Dynamixel smart servos, this enables you to build the robots that you want to build, including multi-joint bipeds, arms, and even hexapod robots. And of course, no board would be complete without the software to run it. So we put a lot of time and energy behind both the libraries and the GUI examples for both the Raspberry Pi and the Arduino microcontroller. So why the Kickstarter? We need your help to bring the board to life. With your donations, we can do a much larger production run. This will allow us to offer the board at a much lower cost to you. If you are interested in one of these unique robot controllers, please help by either spreading the word or donating below. This controller is different because it was designed and built by people who actually build robots. Here at Second Robotics, we are committed in providing you with an ecosystem of products and quality support.
Ta-da!